Adding users to your Libsyn account, such as a producer or editor, is easy with multi-user access. Multi-user access is limited to a max of 5 users per show. These users will have the ability to access features related to your stats and publishing tools. However, they will not have access to billing-related features, such as changing your plan level, canceling your show, or enrolling in automatic podcast ads. To manage the users for your show, click on the gear icon to enter your settings page. Then click on Manage Users. The Manage Users page is your hub for displaying who has access to your show. Let's add a new user to this podcast by clicking Add New. Enter the first and last name, a display name, and an email for your new user. Once you click Save, an email will be sent to the user. If they already have a Libsyn account, they will be asked to log into your show. If not, they will need to set up a password to gain access to your show. If at any time you want to edit or remove a user's access, simply click Edit. Multi-user access is the way to collaborate with producers, editors, and co-hosts without having to share passwords or display sensitive financial information. If you have any questions or need help getting set up with multi-user access, reach out to our amazing podcaster support team by clicking on the I in the bottom right corner of the dashboard, or reach out to support directly at support@libsyn.com.